సో ఎడిటర్ అయి ఉంటే, డైరెక్టర్ ఎడిటర్ అయి ఉంటే ప్రొడ్యూసర్కి చాలా సేవ్ అవుతుంది మ్యాథ్స్ పరంగా. ఐమ్ టెలింగ్ బికాజ్ యూ టేక్ ఓన్లీ వాట్ యూ వాంట్, అంతే కదా ఎడిటింగ్లో ఏమొస్తుంది అనేది. అది బెస్ట్ అంటారా మీరు ఎడిటింగ్ని నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల?
It's not like not only like we take only what we want. Editing is also helps while writing is
okay.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, editing majorly helps in writing.
Okay.
And in my production in future, I don't force a director to give a budget. And because that is not his work, it is producer's work.
Correct.
And see, finally the important thing which I will expect from a director is I have to give complete freedom to the director, and he has to deliver the story, my film which he narrated me initially. For that there may be a difference in the budget for 20%.
Okay.
There may be extra 1 crore, but we can't see that. We should not see that, because if he's going to lose that, tighten that 1 crore, we will be losing the entire investment.
Right.
So putting a pressure on a director for budget and cutting out the equipment for his need and all this will be definitely it's like killing a baby. So correct. When you deliver a baby, you should just, the director is like a mother. We should support him completely, and minor mistakes definitely will not happen because of his ignorance. He'll be in a pressure. Whomever may be the director, a good person or a bad person, he also will be having some psychological trauma during the process. Even if anything happens, we should go with that. That is the job of a producer. And in that way, he had actually completed everything as he told in the budget. And as you asked in the question, the editing will be helping majorly in the pre-production stage.
Okay.
And being an editor, we will be taking more shots only, for safety side.
Actually take more shots.
అవునా? ఓకే, ఐ థాట్ లెస్ షార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయేమో అనుకున్నాను. ఓకే, అంటే సేఫ్టీ
in the plan no, not like that.
If you have a professional actors, you may divide the shot and go execute the project. If you have unprofessionals also inside, we have to have safety takes.
Actually, he is talking about the live.
No,
this is the
we actually made live peoples to act. Lot of live peoples to act. So
okay.
I mean, they are not artists or something. Because of that, we'll be. And moreover, taking too many shots is the requirement. It has to run. The play has to run. It has to keep the busy. We have to establish many things. So we can't have a single frame and we can't communicate. So it makes it is, in few scripts we can convey a scene in a single shot. In few scenes we have to take it might be a 1 minute scene, but we might require like around 50 or 100 shots. Anything might happen. So it all depends on what does the scene require. So it was like that. And moreover, while sir started editing, it was like, I could easily imagine that what I imagine, it's coming out good.
Okay.
He's actually, I am just an editor. He's a wonderful editor. Okay. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
Because the play, the story, when it starts, you will feel a commercial film has not it cannot be a engaging film. This film is a commercial film and also a very racy, engaging film. It's only because of the final cut and every is small. He works very hard, even for small things, small cuts. So he is very conscious on satisfying his fan. I can see it throughout the film. So he is very conscious on satisfying the audience.
How many days you spent in editing room, sir?
2 months approximately. 2 months.
Shooting?
If you take 2 months, it's not 8 hours a day. It's like only 2 hours rest a day. You can take all of that time for around like 60 or 70 days without sleeping. You would have worked if you calculate exactly.
Okay. So actor ga any days తీసుకున్నారు మీరు?
Actor for shoot it was around 70 days. After that the problem
70 days for acting, 70 days for editing.
Yeah, the thing is,
sir రెండిటికి చార్జ్ చేస్తారు కదా? మీరు చార్జ్ లేదు. No. అయ్యో ఇలా this is little
buy one get one free.
Good one.
No, that's what a team requires, right? Because as an actor, he can finish the shoot, he can go and he can come back for the dubbing, and he can see the movie, he can say some corrections or he can praise or whatever it is at the end. But it's not. He was like traveling with me. It was a main. The director requires that kind of support. Okay. The film requires that kind of support.
Right.
On aspects of that, I would say we are all blessed having, because he was working throughout the film until we completed the film. It was a great support.
రైట్ సార్ వన్స్ యాక్టింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యాక్టర్స్ జాబ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ వన్స్ యాక్టింగ్ డన్ దెన్ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఎప్పుడైతే వస్తుందో డబ్బింగ్ టైంలో చూడడం జరుగుతుంది విజువల్స్ అన్ని, ఓకే ఎలా యాక్ట్ చేశాను ఏంటి అనేది. బట్ ఎడిట్ చేసే టైంలో ఏదైనా ఇంకా బెటర్మెంట్ ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది ఇలాంటి
Definitely, I'll see. There are people like Kamal Hassan sir, the wonderful actors who will be definitely exaggerating the script which he had already written. In my acting style, I'm always subtle in performance. Sometimes that subtlety may not be the apt expression for that scene. At that time, I may need to increase the performance, which through the sound design and the editing cuts we can exaggerate.
రైట్.
So you asked me something. I don't know whether I'm taking.
No,
it.
while like doing editing, మీకు ఏమన్నా ఇంకా బెటర్
Yeah, I
చేస్తే
will. Yeah,
బాగుంటుంది.
most of the scenes will be not up to the expectation of the director, and somehow I'll manage it in the editing.
ఓకే.
My performance. I'm talking about my performance.
ఈవెన్
Yeah.
ఎడిటింగ్.
Yeah, we can improvise. We can
Okay.
underline some performances. It's like a yellow marking.
రైట్
Editing.
రైట్. సో దీన్ని బట్టి నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఏంటంటే యాక్టింగ్తో పాటు ఎడిటింగ్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి, కరెక్ట్గా జడ్జ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఫిలిం గురించి. అండ్ విజయ్ రాఘవన్ గురించి అండ్ అలాగే విజయ్ ఆంటోనీసర్ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? వీళ్ళిద్దరిలో సిమిలారిటీస్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా?
Oh, I mean, probably both are very hardworking.
అయ్యో, ఓకే, వెరీ
Correct
నైస్. యా, అగ్రీడ్. ఇంకా అదర్ సిమిలారిటీస్
similarities వచ్చే
Difference also can be.
Yeah.
డిఫరెన్స్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఏమన్నా?
difference, similarities I'll say.
Similarities okay.
Very much, okay. I said only one.
Okay.
Three similarities, three
Three
differences.
Three
differences.
differences.
Yes.
One more similarity is both are. I think he personally, I think he has little bit of social concerns. So that is there seen in the film.
Little bit tough.
Okay, more.
Okay.
Of.
Yeah, after
With
2 days,
what-
but you are completely invest your time in
Yeah.
social works
Yeah,
and నేను విన్నాను, I
yes,
heard.
yes.
Yeah.
Now he's
Your
busy
previous
acting, but eventually he has that vision.
Okay,
So that character is reflecting in the film.
okay.
His real nature. And one more similarity.
There are more similarities.
Very very simple person. Again,
true,
that is
yeah.
there in the film, and in reality also he's very simple person. He doesn't carry that I'm a hero, that
Yeah.
attitude and all.
He never carries
He's
that,
very
yeah.
approachable. Anybody can come and talk to him. He
Correct,
responds
true.
to everyone. You know that, right?
True.
So that is the similarity.
And now the time starts.
For the differences.
Differences.
Okay, it's very challenging. What are the differences?
Not romantic in the screen. In person.
very romantic.
Very
Yeah.
romantic. That is one.
Very true.
Second. See, I should not give clues like this.
You are giving hints.
Yeah, I should
sir.
not. Sorry.
In
Yeah.
film, he doesn't talk too much. I think in reality, he talks too much. Correct, right?
Second.
Second.
Yes. Yeah. yeah.
Third.
Third.
You know so many things about
Yeah. Okay.
him.
Third, I think he's very presentable in real. I mean, the character doesn't demand that, but your real.
But same similar, no? Second one and third
Yeah,
one
yeah.
are
Something-
both are
find out
very
something
similar.
new.
Find out something.
Find it.
Okay.
There are more you know about me.
Uh-huh. Okay, what is the third thing I could relate to? I mean, the difference. Anybody just pitch in.
Super. This is 25 minutes interview only.
There's something. What is the third difference?
What is the
Difference.
difference?
He's
Maybe-
not that serious. as
It's
seen
not
in
the
film.
action part, no?
Yeah, he's not.
Yeah, he's not serious.
He's not. He's very funny.
Funny.
Yeah, see, he's very
Extremely
funny.
funny.
That is
Okay.
not there in the character. So these three are the differences.
Okay.
100 marks, kada?
Yes, wonderful.
Thank
With
you.
all these qualities, we are going to make one more movie with the same team,
Okay.
and they are going to
I'm
see
going
that.
to host
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are going to see
Intense
that
romantic
scene.
film.
Romantic.
Intense.
Underline the word
romantic.
intense.
Yeah, ఇది అండర్లైన్ చేయాల్సిన లైన్ అన్నమాట. వెరీ నైస్. అండ్ ఎస్ భాషశ్రీ గారు, లైక్ ఇప్పుడు 17th సెప్టెంబర్ అయితే ఇది రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది విజయ రాఘవన్. అండ్ సో ఇక్కడ మీకు పరిస్థితులు చూస్తున్నారు, బట్ సినిమాలకైతే నాకు తెలిసి వేరే ఎక్కడా లేనంత క్రేజ్ మన థియేటర్స్కి వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే మన తెలుగు పీపుల్ అంతలా రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారు. సో ఇది తెలుగు పీపుల్కి పక్క మంచి సినిమా, ఫ్యామిలీ అందరూ వెళ్ళదగ్గ సినిమా అని
ఫ్యామిలీ
అంటారు.
అందరు పిల్ల పాపలు అందరు కూర్చొని చూడదగ్గ సినిమా ఇది, అందరు కలిసి
Okay.
వెళ్ళొచ్చు.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ట్యూషన్ చెప్పబడును.
ఇక్కడ ట్యూషన్
17th
చెప్పాను,
అక్కడ
థియేటర్స్ లో ట్యూషన్
థియేటర్స్ లో
చెప్పబడదు.
ట్యూషన్ చెప్పబడును. ఓకే.
ఈ సినిమా డైరెక్టర్ గారు అన్నారు 70 రోజుల్లో చేశాను అని. నాకు ఇది చూసినప్పుడు 110 రోజులు 110 డేస్ పట్టిందేమో అనుకున్నాను నేను. ఎందుకంటే ఒక 10% క్వాలిటీ ఉంది. 10% సీన్స్ పక్కన పెడితే అంటే ఒక 10% సీన్లోనే ఆయన సింగిల్గా హీరో హీరోయిన్స్ కానీ ఉన్నారు. 90% సీన్స్లో ఒక ఫ్రేమ్లో కనీసం 100 మంది ఉంటారు. ఇది 70 రోజుల్లో చేయడం అంటే అంత సామాన్యమైన విషయం కాదు. నేను కూడా 100 రోజులు ఎంత అయింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. 70 రోజులు అంటే కొంచెం ఆలోచించదగ్గ విషయం. ఎందుకంటే అంత ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది, ఫ్రేమ్ రిచ్గా ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత ఎక్కువ ఆర్టిస్టులు, టూ మెనీ ఆర్టిస్ట్.
అండ్ పాండమిక్ వల్ల అంతమంది ఆర్టిస్ట్ ని కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయడం కూడా కష్టం కదా. ఇట్స్ వెరీ
like we started the film, when we started the film, we went for 5 days shoot.
Okay.
6 days shoot. 7th day the first lockdown started.
Lockdown one started.
I remember still, yeah.
Again after the second when the first lockdown lifted up, sir was the first hero to come without any what to say,
hesitations,
without any hesitations. He came to the spot and he made it possible to finish the movie in between first lockdown and second lockdown.
ఆయన మళ్ళీ ఆయన ప్రైజ్ లో కూడా ఆయన తీసుకునే రెమ్యునరేషన్ లో కూడా he cut off like
yeah. See, that is what
I really appreciate. We all are.
And after the first lockdown completed, we restarted the shoot, and we were like, how can an artist come, because the film's backdrop is around numerous people. It's in a live places, areas, and lot of junior artists has to be there. Minimum 400 to 500 people will be there every day. So I was like very scared to ask him or tell him whether he is coming or whether we are going to start or not. But he was the first person. Let's go. Then we went for the shoot. He didn't have any hesitation. We just every day. That time it was like the first lockdown at the time of the end of the first lockdown, people were like, they were scared a lot because of this corona. I could see his willpower to finish the film. The producers are investing the film,
right.
And many families are dependent on the
and producers gurinchi Infinity and
Mr. Raja sir and from Infinity Film Ventures. The film is presented by Infinity, Dhananjay sir, Kamal sir, Pankaj and Pradeep sir and all. So it's all a very big investment is there. Lockdown was also there. So we have to complete the film. Without his support and Atmika, no one got any hesitation. They wanted to support the team and it was wonderful. And when we completed the film, second lockdown came.
బ్రేక్స్ మధ్యలో పని చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది, పని మధ్యలో బ్రేక్ కాకుండా. సో అలాగే దీంట్లో మనకి విలన్ కేజీఎఫ్ విలన్ కనిపిస్తున్నారు రామచంద్ర రాజు గారు. అండ్ అలాగే డిఓపికి కూడా క్రెడిట్స్ ఇవ్వాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. ఇంత పెద్ద ఫిలిం, హ్యూజ్ ఫిలిం, ఆ ఫ్రేమ్స్ అన్నిటిని మేనేజ్ చేయాలంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఆయనకు కూడా అంతే కష్టమై ఉంటుంది, ఆ రన్నింగ్ ఇదంతా కూడా.
NS Uday Kumar is the DOP. He is my previous film's DOP, Metro's DOP.
Chemistry workouts, sir?
Yeah, he's my friend actually. We all work
they'll
together.
be like this in the set.
Oh, okay. Like wife and husband.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, husband and wife ఇలా ఉండకపోవచ్చు.
No.
Like
I think that will help the film to deliver it much.
Correct.
Yeah.
Good.
He is a very hard-working guy, and the shots and you would feel that you will be inside a area and inside a colony when those scenes are coming up.
Right.
So the contrast between a village and the city, a raw city, he has done a good job.
రైట్. సో విలన్ గురించి మీరు చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది, బికాస్ విలన్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటే హీరో బికమ్ లైక్ అంతే స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటారు. సో
personally he is a very nice gentleman.
I met him,
very soft spoken gentleman.
Right.
And in my experience most of the villains who are acting in the movies, they're all very innocent comparatively. Comparing the heroes.
In real life, yes.
In real life, they
It's
are
only
the heroes.
contrast.
The
character they show and the person they are.
And if you take the fighters, the people who are really fighting, everybody will be so very obedient to their fight masters, and the dedication is too awesome.
Right.
If my son is going to come and tell that I'm sorry, it is okay, I'm trying to convey something to you. Yeah, so they are all very hardworking and very sincere and very gentle.
Nice.
Fighters. So
Nice.
in that way, the Ram sir also is very nice person, very humble. I think hopefully he'll be coming for this promotion, right?
I really love RR కూడా, హరీష్ లైక్ RR కూడా చాలా బాగుంది, లైక్ ఇంకా ఎలివేట్ చేసింది ఫిలిం నాకు అనిపించింది. అండ్ ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా దీన్ని క్లోజ్ చేసే ముందు మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఒక పాట ఏదైనా అంటే మీరు సింగర్తో పాడిస్తారు, మీ దాంట్లో పాడిన సింగర్తో?
సినిమాలో తనే 3 పాటలు పాడారు.
ఎవరు?
తనే 3 పాటలు
తనే, అదే
పాడారు.
అంటున్నా, సింగర్ బయటకి తీసుకొస్తాం, మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్
Maybe you both can sing that romantic song. You are a singer only, no one knows
Amazing
about you.
singer.
Yeah.
అవునవునవును. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆత్మిక గారు
Atmika is an amazing singer. She has sung something which is yet to release.
వెయిటింగ్ ఆత్మిక దెన్ yes
Not
all are
today.
waiting Telugu
Not today.
audience all wait
No, I have the light itch.
I think
It's okay,
she
chalega.
wants to dance, I think. Is it?
Really? Okay,
we
gonna
can't
come
arrange
do
it so now
Frame will not
difficult to
fit.
arrange
I will do like this.
You'll do.
Sitting position. You can dance.
No.
Yeah.
And people will run off.
సార్ మీలోని సింగర్ నే బయటకి తీయాలి, తప్పట్లేదు. ఆత్మిక గారు సింగర్ బయటకి
You can hum.
And by the way,
Telugu.
she is an actor too. Future actor.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. Yeah. Please సింగర్.
The video can be shared to this channel.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So,
You can sing in Tamil.
Tamil.
Yeah, anything is fine.
கனவினை நீ துரத்தடா, நிஜம் என அதை நிறுத்தடா, தடைகளை நீ நகர்த்தடா, தடம் என அதை பொறுத்தடா, உன் மனமே ஓ உன் சிறகு, உன் பலமே ஓ உன் படகு, விழித்திரு நீ தரரரரா திரரரரா, அச்சம் இல்லை மனமே, மோதிப்பாரு தினமே, வாழ்க்கை இங்கே ரணமே, வாழ்ந்திட நீயும் செய்யட மதமே.
Wow, amazing. Yeah, సార్ తెలుగు లిరిక్స్
ఇప్పుడు అంత ఇది మేము పాడలేము.
కాదు, ఇమీడియట్ గా తమిళ్ కదా, ఇమీడియట్ గా సార్ తెలుగు లిరిక్స్ ప్లీజ్. మిమ్మల్ని చూడాల్సి వస్తుంది ఆశగా నా కళ్ళు. సో ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. 17 సెప్టెంబర్ విజయ రాఘవన్ విజయం అందుకోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకున్నాను. నేమ్ లో ఆల్రెడీ విజయం ఉంది. So,
తెలుగులోకి శ్రీకరి ఫిలిమ్స్, టి శివారెడ్డి, టి రవిచంద్రారెడ్డి వాళ్ళ ద్వారా ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది.
రైట్.
తమిళ్లో చందూర్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ వెంచర్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో శ్రీకరి ఫిలిమ్స్
వాళ్ళు శ్రీకారం చుట్టారన్నమాట ఈ సినిమాకి తెలుగులో,
శ్రీకారం
అంతే కదా?
చుట్టారు. శ్రీచక్రం లాగా మంచి పవర్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది.
అఫ్ కోర్స్. సో ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళకి సిరి కూడా రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను నేను. అండ్ అలాగే యూనో పెన్ కూడా చేతిలో పట్టుకొని ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి బాగా రాయాలని కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నాను అందరూ. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.
విష్ గుడ్ లక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.
విన్నారు కదా, 17th సెప్టెంబర్ విజయ రాఘవన్ ఫిలిం మనందరినీ అలరించడానికి మన ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది.